Hello dear children, I am Kalpana Hegde. Welcome to my presentation. In my last presentation, you learnt about natural resources, basic concept, types and detailed information about renewable resources. Today, let me explain about non-renewable resources. Resources which will run out due to their continuous usage and which cannot be renewed. Example, petrol, diesel, natural gas, coal, minerals, etc., which are together called fuels. Fuels are the substances which release heat on burning. We can classify them as A. Fuels used for cooking. Firewood, LPG, kerosene, etc. You can see in these images. LPG means liquid petroleum gas. B. Fuels used to run vehicles, mainly petrol, diesel, natural gas, coal, etc. Children, in this first image, petrol bunk is seen. Second one is coal. Coal is used to run the train, which needs a large amount of fuel to produce heat and run steam engine. Third one is gas bunk, from which vehicles can fill the gas or natural gas to the tanks. This is compressed natural gas or CNG in short. Fossil fuels. These are the primary sources of energy. These are formed by the remains of extinct plants and animals which were buried under the earth's crust over millions of years. Main fossil fuels are petroleum, natural gas and coal. Although fossil fuels are continuously formed by natural processes, they are generally classified as non-renewable resources because they take millions of years to form and non-viable reserves and being depleted much faster than new ones are generated. Now let us learn one by one in detail. Petroleum. It is a liquid mineral formed beneath the earth. It is formed by the action of bacteria, heat and pressure on the dead organisms buried under the layers of rocks. In the first figure, petroleum well structure, and the second figure, how it is extracted from the petroleum wells. Children, I will send a separate video on formation of petroleum. Watch that video and understand clearly about it. Children, petroleum is a liquid mixture of petrol, diesel, kerosene, wax, paraffin, etc. Anyhow, we know that petrol, diesel, kerosene are used as fuels. Wax, paraffin are used in making candles, wood polish, ointments, dyes, lipsticks, chemical fertilizers, Vaseline jelly, etc. In this image, you can see the different uses of it. Coal. Next, we shall move towards another important fossil fuel, that is coal. Coal is a combustible black or brownish black sedimentary rock with high amount of carbon and hydrocarbons. Coal is classified as non-renewable energy source because it takes millions of years to form. Coal contains the energy stored by plants that lived hundreds of millions of years ago in the swampy forest. Millions of years ago, the remains of plants and trees that were buried beneath the earth's crust did not decay completely. Due to high temperature and pressure, they turned into coal under the layers of rocks. Coals are mainly used as fuels in the production of electricity in thermal power stations and also in other industries. About the formation of coal, I will send a separate video. Minerals and resources. These are the another important non-renewable resources. A mineral is a naturally occurring substance representable by a chemical formula, usually solid and inorganic, and has a crystal structure. In this figure, you can see crystals of stone-like structures of different minerals. Mineral resources can be divided into two major categories, metallic and non-metallic. Metallic resources are things like gold, silver, tin, copper, lead, zinc, iron, nickel, chromium, and aluminium. Non-metallic resources are things like sand, gravel, gypsum, halite, uranium, dimension stone, etc. Formation and uses of minerals. Children, minerals are formed when rocks are heated enough that atoms of different elements can move around and join into different molecules. Minerals are deposited from salty water solutions on the Earth's surface and underground. In this image, you can see how metallic minerals are or metals are used, like iron, aluminium, copper, gold, etc. are used. Here you can see in the construction of buildings or the things like a gate or other materials in the construction, and aluminium or other metals are used to make the vessels and some machinery parts, and gold, silver are used for making jewels. Hence, metal is known as multi-useful material. Dear children, by this I conclude my presentation, non-renewable resources. Thank you for watching.